Have you ever wondered about the miraculous journey that brings a new life into this world? How does a single cell transform into a complex organism, capable of thought, emotion, and movement? In the next 7 minutes, unravel the fascinating process of human reproduction from fertilization to childbirth. It all begins with fertilization. This is when a sperm cell from a male unites with an egg cell from a female, forming a single cell called a zygote. This event usually takes place within the fallopian tubes, tiny ducts connecting the ovaries to the uterus. The zygote then embarks on a journey towards the uterus, dividing and growing into a cluster of cells along the way. By the time it reaches the uterus, it has transformed into a multicellular structure known as a blastocyst. The blastocyst then implants itself into the wall of the uterus, marking the beginning of the embryonic stage. Here, the cells differentiate, forming layers that will eventually develop into various parts of the body. About 3 weeks into the pregnancy, the heart begins to form. By the end of the 4th week, the neural tube, which will become the brain and spinal cord, starts to develop. As the embryo grows, it becomes enveloped in a fluid-filled sac called the amniotic sac, which serves as a protective cushion. The placenta, an organ that develops in the uterus during pregnancy, provides oxygen and nutrients to the growing baby and removes waste products from the baby's blood. By the end of the 8th week, the embryo is now referred to as a fetus. This is a period of rapid growth and development. All the major organs have formed and the fetus begins to look distinctly human. The next stage is the 2nd trimester. The fetus continues to grow, developing skin, hair, nails, and even fingerprints. It starts to move, kick, and swallow, although the mother may not feel these movements until the 5th month of pregnancy. In the 3rd trimester, the fetus undergoes the final stages of development. The lungs mature and the brain continues to develop. By the end of this stage, the baby is ready for birth. Childbirth typically occurs around 40 weeks from the last menstrual period. The process begins with labor, where the muscles of the uterus contract to push the baby out. Once the baby is delivered, the umbilical cord is cut and the placenta is expelled from the mother's body. In summary, the journey from a single fertilized cell to a newborn baby is an intricate and fascinating process. It involves a series of stages, including fertilization, embryonic development, fetal development, and finally, childbirth. Each stage is crucial, with precise biological events that ensure the successful growth and development of a new human being. This complex process is a testament to the wonder of life, a miracle that happens countless times every day around the world. It's a reminder of our beginnings and the extraordinary journey that each of us has taken to be here. So next time you look in the mirror, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey that brought you into this world.